In today's video, I want to show you most accurate day trading strategy on Bitcoin. I want to say we use here two indicators to use this strategy. So let's start the setup of these indicators. To find first indicator, we go to the indicators tab and write RSI. This indicator. After adding this indicator, we need to adjust its settings. It was 14, we made it 2, and style section, the upper band and lower band was 70 and 30. We make it 95 and lower band 5. That shows extremely overbought and oversold areas. So find the total trend, we need to add the second confirmation indicator. This indicator is moving average rebound. This indicator, let's place technicals indicator. After adding this indicator, we already need to adjust the settings. We untick this third and fourth ticks and inputs. It was 20 and it was 50. We make it 200 and the second is 5. That's all the settings you see. So let me delete this buy sell tools. Let's start from short positions. If you like our video, you can subscribe to my channel and give the video thumbs up. Let's go. For a short position, we need to see this type of situation. The RSI line should go up this 95 line and it should be above this line like this. And the second indicator, the 200 moving average, shows us the total trend, and the second lines is 5 moving average. For a short position, we need to see two bearish candle that forms below this 5 line, 5 moving average, and the second bearish candle should forms below the previous. So first bearish candle, this, as you see here, forms close below this line, and second bearish candle is this because it closes below the last bearish candle. And in this point, I take here short position, put the stop above the swing high and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5. Let's see another short position in a row. As you see here, the line go up this 95 line, and here it's above this 95 line. It's better situation for short position. And then we need to see two bearish candle, and the second bearish candle should be below, close below the last candle close. Here it's the first bearish candle that closes below this line, and it's the second candle that forms below this bearish candle, not this. We consider this, and when this candle forms, I take here short position and put the stop above the swing high and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5. I think you understood the short position. Let's go to the long positions. As you see here, Bitcoin rises here. So here the RSI line go down this 5 line. As you see here, it's below the 5 line. It's good situation for us. And again, we need to see two bullish candle that forms above this 5 moving average line. Here it's the first candle, but the second bullish candle is here, so it forms so late. As you see here, the RSI line here overbought, and we don't take here buy position like this situation. As you see here, RSI line is below this 5 line here, and first bullish candle is here, and second bullish candle is here, because this candle closed here but this candle closed here. The closest point on the second candle should be above this first bullish candle. So here I take here buy position. We put the stop below the swing low and make risk reward ratio 1.5. This signal is successful, and after this signal, as you see here, next buy situation here, because RSI goes down of 5 line a little bit, as you see here, and we need to see bullish candle that a good type. As you see here, it's first bullish candle, and this is second bullish candle that close above where first candle close. When this candle forms, I take here buy position and put the stop the swing low and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5, and this signal is successful. This signal is also successful as you see here. Here the RSI line below is 5 line, and we see here two bullish candle, and if we take here buy position and put the stop below the swing low, we would be successful on this position. But it doesn't mean that it will always happen. There will be a lot of false signals and successful signals. There is no indicator that will give 100% guaranteed signals. See you guys in the next video. Good luck on your trading.